Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and I want to talk a little bit about a water irrigator device. Many companies make water irrigator devices. Probably the most well-known is the Waterpik, and people often ask about a small Waterpik or a small water irrigator device for travel. And I've talked to people who say, well, they have one, but it just doesn't seem to do the right job. There is one travel Waterpik or water irrigator, in this case it is Waterpik, that I think is extremely effective and that we actually use when we travel. It can come in a case like this. It's very compact. This is how compact it is. It opens up like this, and then it also plugs into the back of the Waterpik. And this is called the Sidekick. They're not easy to find. They're very difficult to find. Waterpik is just flooded with orders for them. I think you might be able to get it on Amazon. They're not cheap, but if you're traveling, I just think they're great for traveling. Why? Because it gives you a range of pressure, and the pressure is pretty much equal to the full-size Waterpik, and yet it's much smaller, much more convenient to travel with. It works extremely, extremely well. So if you want something to travel with and you don't want the regular bulky water irrigator, there is a small irrigator, the Waterpik Sidekick, that is very, very, very effective, and it folds up into something that's small enough to carry in a case like this, and it works extremely, extremely well. Most people don't even know that this exists, but it does, and I do recommend it as being extremely effective for travel. So, thought you might be interested in something like this. It'll help keep your mouth healthy, and again, if your mouth's not healthy, you're not healthy. And healthier mouth, healthier body. Subscribe, comments, questions. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.